The first thing I want you to do, right?
Yeah.
I pronounce the following word.
Word, like one now. Are you have to tell me now?
Yeah?
Are you have to tell me about the word?
Oh, I have to tell you the word. So you want me to tell you the answer and make people, don't make them know. Moradito.
Moradito?
Yeah. So I ask you again, and you just give me the answer like you did know.
Yeah.
Ready or no? Pronounce the following word.
Moradito.
Cool, I'm on the boss. Cool, I'm on the boss.
This video was sponsored by Hugo.
Wagwan peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel back at it again with the next episode of the question. And people watcher, this is episode 6. I don't know whether in LINSTEAD, St. Catherine. So we come for mash up LINSTEAD. I wonder which part we mash up next. Leave a comment, let me know. So without further ado peeps, you don't know me not gonna talk too long because son Buhn me and the place nice, the place full of vibes. You don't know anything, so watch the peeps. Without further ado without further ado, you don't know. We're gone, hold on. We sure me forgot Jesus Christ. Steam off. May I just go that way, yeah? Big up on yourself, peeps. Hit the like button. Hit the like button right now. Hit it right now. Thank you very much. I'm a boss, you don't know the pre, just give me a name.
Yeah man, Flames Photo man, you see me?
Flames Photo.
Yeah man, Flames Photo Entertainment.
Yeah, Dangle Psychotic, you know, SYKOTIC. Yeah, Dangle Psychotic.
Are you with them perfume and...
Yeah, man, I'm here with the perfume in LINSTEAD, you know. I test cologne man in LINSTEAD. Anytime they want cologne, and I was gonna link me on King Street. That's where them get the thing, and there's no dirt going on.
Trizette.
No, sir, Rio de Janeiro, my name though.
Joseph. Oh, yeah, see that, man. First thing I do, just give me a name.
Brown God. Boy, my name Murphy, you know. Then call me Gyalis, you know.
Gyalis?
Yes, Gyalis more than call me.
You're not too old for big Gyalis, man?
No, man, you are a big man. You see young boy them, pretty boy them lose some man now. You see man like we now, well, ugly, I will take care of a woman. Watch and cook on them thing there.
Yeah, which is right.
You want me cut a DJ and make you hear?
Yeah, man, we hear what going.
God's a man then, yo, fisherman see my friend them there. Tell you what I them man and me at the Gyalis. Girl them a this and me at them in a Paris. Tell you what I them me at the damn King Gyalis. Oh man instead then call me damn Gyalis. Tell you what I them and me at the Gyalis. Everybody talk about this at them Paris. Have some girl them in a film Paris. Tell you what I then said, you know, keep malice. Word up to honor this a King Gyalis. Up to the town and up to the palace. Come drinking wine in the Gyalis. Tell you what I them and me a Gyalis.
Rappler. So you want your boss a piece of rap to me.
Yo, hello, L-Town, Hell City. What's up? Jnel Comedy. Yo, it's the dancehall hip-hop rapper representing Helltown. Hell City, what's up? Pass me the MIC, I flow a cappella. I've rocked the stage show like Frank Sinatra. I got the ladies screaming like Cleopatra. I drop the bomb like Barack Obama. Sometime I rap lean, sometime I rap stammer. Stick to the English, forget about the glamour hall. Smoke my chronic, smoky by the hounds. Left to the right now, watch her booty bound. Straight from the middle, now she's sliding up front. She wanna stick it on my blunt.
Keep on it. Alright, so you ready for the first one now? Yeah. Alright, so the first thing I want you to do, pronounce the following word.
Moradito.
Say again?
Moradito.
Following word is Moradito.
Moradito.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah man.
Moradito.
Yes, sir.
Moradito. Yeah, Moradito.
Okay. Moradito.
So, in all no, you break it up in a syllables a while ago, I just say it.
Moradito.
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 Yeah.
Moradito. Moradito.
Moradito.
Yeah.
Final.
Yeah, Moradito.
Moradito.
Say again.
Moradito.
Moradito. MORADITO. You know what I'm saying? Check it out.
Yeah. Alright.
And
So,
represent Hell City. Hell City, you know what I'm saying?
alright, my boss.
For all y'all wanna-be rappers out there, start right here.
I pronounce the following word.
Word, right for now. And you have to tell me now. And you have to tell me about the word.
Oh, I have to tell you the word. So you want me to tell you the answer and make people don't make them know. Moradito.
Moradito.
Yeah.
All
So I
right.
go ask you again and you just give me the answer.
All right.
Ready or
Yeah.
no?
Yeah.
Oh, join the bucket then. Yeah. Hey, so I ask you again
Yeah.
and you just give me the answer like you did know.
Yeah.
Ready or no? Pronounce the following word.
Moradito.
Cool on the boss. Alright, hold on. Don't touch your remote, don't touch your TV. So if you guys are wondering what Moradito means, what is Moradito? Who is Moradito? Well, Moradito is the mascot of this company called Hugo. Now I'll provide you guys with more information. Just keep watching. Just don't touch your remote. Keep watching. So you don't want to know. How long is the answer to this question?
The answer to this question is like less than 30 seconds.
How long is the answer to this question? What is the question?
How long is the answer to this question?
No understand what my boss.
You don't understand?
About a second. About a second.
How long? I don't know how long. I don't know how long.
How long is the answer to this question?
I don't know. I don't know.
How long, right?
Yeah.
Is the answer to this question?
How long is the answer for this question?
Yeah.
Let me say.
What if you say? The answer, how long? So I ask you again and you say how long. So how long is the answer to this question?
How long?
Alright, my boss. How long is the answer to this question?
How long is the answer to this question?
I don't know. No. So let me get the answer then.
Yeah.
The answer now, how long, man? Because me I say how long is the answer to this question? The last one, alright? You have
I'm not a big data out here and a big son.
Must be mad in barrage.
You have 30 cows upon a farm, right? Yeah. And 28 chickens. How many didn't?
What?
30 cows upon a farm, you know?
Yeah.
And 28 chicken. How many didn't?
Repeat that one again.
20 cows upon a farm, right? 30 cows upon a farm, right? And 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Didn't what?
Eh?
How many didn't?
Yeah.
Didn't what?
$30 cows.
30 cows upon a farm, right? And 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Three.
Oh, no.
20 did it, man. 20.
What you say?
30 cows upon a farm, right? And 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Didn't? What you mean?
30 cows upon a farm, you know? And 20 of them ate chickens. How many didn't?
How much you say?
30 cows upon a farm. And 28 chickens. How many didn't?
10 cow you say or 20 cow?
No man, 30 cows upon a farm.
30 cow.
Yeah. And 20 of them.
28 chicken.
And 28 chickens. How many didn't?
A 28 chicken. What?
How many didn't?
Yeah. 30 cow up on a farm. And 28 chickens. How many didn't?
2. How many didn't?
30 cow up on a farm, you know. And 28 chickens. How many didn't?
What the? 2.
Must be mad in.
I'm gonna bust me and think that I'm
Listen again, you know. You have 30 cow up on a farm, right? 30 cow. Yeah, and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
You have 30 cow on a farm.
And 28 chickens. How many didn't?
I don't know.
Ah, yeah, man. You know what I'm to them, man. You say 30 cow up on the farm.
Yeah.
And 20 of them eat chicken. How many didn't? That means that 10 of them don't eat chicken.
You have 30 cow up on a farm, right?
Yes.
And 28 chickens.
Yeah.
How many didn't?
I don't know about that, Dada.
So I'm give the answer for that one too. Alright, so I'm gonna ask you again.
Yeah.
And you give me the answer.
Yeah.
You're gonna say 10.
Yeah.
Ready now? There are 30 cows up on a farm, right? And 28 chickens. How many didn't?
10.
Cool, I'm the boss. Yeah, big up in the general. Yeah, man, respect. Alright, peeps, thanks for watching. So this video was sponsored by Hugo, right? Hugo is a super app, right? That was created back in 2017, currently in 6 countries, and Jamaica makes 7. So if you want to order food, if you want a beer, you want to order games, you want to order any electronic device, or order for your favorite restaurant, trust me, just count on Hugo. Just download the app in the App Store. If you leave work 5 o'clock and you know you're going to reach home by 6, you can also schedule delivery. So make sure you guys download the Hugo app in the App Store and also Play Store. Download Hugo, it's pretty fast and pretty reliable, so make sure you download Hugo. I don't know why I'm saying download so much times, but you guys get the drift, just download Hugo. If you want a company that's fast and reliable and you want your food come now, here, Hugo.